What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? Got a lot of fake social media accounts. Got a lot of people keep making these fake pages, scamming people, and y'all still falling for it. Like, I don't see how. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, y'all know me, I like to get y'all sauce. Y'all know I like to get y'all information. Y'all know I like to hit y'all with new banks and loans and credit cards and lines of credits that y'all never heard before. Or maybe some of y'all probably have heard before. But for the people who haven't, I like to give it to you raw. I like to give it to you new. And I like to give it to you the real. So today we're going to be talking about NASA Federal Credit Union. All right, they're giving out personal loans up to $30,000. Just $30,000. Now, you do have to have decent credit. You do have to have decent credit. But y'all know me, I always show y'all how to finesse y'all credit. And these banks be going off relationship statuses, which means you might have a bad credit score, but as long as they see you building a relationship with them, making deposits in the bank, and you got good payment history on your credit report, then they might can make some things work. All right, so today I'm going to be explaining to you guys why, first of all, a lot of people don't get approved for bad credit loans because one, it's a lot of different factors that play into getting a loan only than your credit score. All right, so I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to also show you how to get trade lines so you can start getting approved for these loans and building your credit, maturing it, aging it so it can look better when you go apply for these loans. And like I said, we're gonna start leveraging our personal credit towards our business credit because that's where you want to get loans at anyways. High limit loans. You probably got a 650 personal credit score, but if you start your business and get it together, you can get you $100,000 business loan faster than you get anything off your personal side. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about that. So like I tell you guys in every video, in the beginning of the video, because I'm the credit guy, I'm the guy that's gonna help you get these funds. I'm the guy that's gonna help you get all the money that you need to be successful. Listen, there's a lot of people out there with bad credit, and I understand that. Nobody's perfect. We all got our own situations. So before y'all run and jump to try to go do something, y'all have to use y'all mind and understand that, okay, these people is not going to give me money just because I got bad credit. It's a lot of different factors that play into getting loans and credit cards and lines of credit. One of the major factors that plays into getting a loan or line of credit is they're going to look at your credit report and they're going to look at your payment history. Because one, they want to see what else do you have on your credit report that you've been paying off that's high limit, and they want to see have you been making payments on time, right? So if you're 18, 19, 20, 21, and you don't have nothing really on your credit, you're already X'd out, right? Because you show no payment history on anything, and you can't show them an example that you'll be able to pay this money back, right? So you're already X'd out. That's why you're not getting approved for the loan. Now, it's a lot of people who have collections and things on their account, right? It's a lot of people who have collections on their account. It's a lot of people who miss payments. So y'all know when y'all go check your credit report and you click on an account and they show you that date and it's like a check mark, and then like a X, a X, a X, a X, a X. Those are the days that your missed payments, and those are being reported. And the lenders are looking at that like, okay, if you're missing all these payments, how do we know you're not going to do the exact same thing when we give you this loan? And 9.3 times out of 10, a lot of y'all is going to do that if y'all did get approved for them loans. Y'all going to get the money and stop making payments. So these lenders and banks are protecting their they're protecting their money because they want to lend out money to people who they know are going to pay their money back so they can make their money. How do they make their money? The APR, that percentage, that extra money that you pay back on the loan is how they make their money. As long as they can see that you've been paying back other things, they're going to take a chance on you and give you a loan. That's how you get a bad credit loan. And they also want to see what's the DTI on your credit report. What's the debt on your credit report? How much do you owe on your credit report? If you never made $10,000 on paper or have $10,000 in the bank, they're not going to loan you $10,000. This is business. These people not going, and there's some banks that will give you loans with stated income, but that's on the business side. And we'll talk about that later. But for the people who are trying to get these loans and got bad credit, everything that I'm telling you is to help you get approved for the loan. Because when I tell y'all to add them trade lines and then make the payments be auto pay out your bank account, that's building your payment history. So when y'all apply for these loans, you got an installment loan for $10,000 or more, and you paying it back. You got a good payment history on it. That's good. They want to see that. That's what they want to see. So I'm telling y'all, hey, go to Credit Strong and get that $42,500 worth of installment loans. And every month the payments are coming out your bank account. You have a good payment history. The lenders are going to see that, and that's what they want to see. They see you paying back $42,000 or something. Okay, cool. So you want a $10,000 loan? Okay. You want a $20,000 loan? Okay. That's what they want to see. And then they want to see, okay, they ask for y'all bank statements and stuff. I told y'all, if you're more than likely, you're self-employed watching this video. And if you're not, you're cool. You get direct deposit or you get checks. So if you get direct deposited, even better. But if you get checks, start depositing them checks into your bank account. But if you're self-employed and you get hard hand cash, start running your money through ADP payroll provider. If you getting cash apps and all that, start running that through ADP payroll provider, so you can start running it through an LLC and then deposit it into your bank account so you can look and see they can see that. You can pay yourself. You can literally put the money in your business account, pay yourself that same money, and just be put on paper. This is the things you have to do. Y'all think these people that's out here finessing and getting these high limit loans and all that, just saying, hey, no. You got to handle your business. You got to do things right. And I'm not telling nobody to do none of that, but people always wonder, like, man, how are those people finessing and getting those loans? Because they know what they doing. They understand that what these banks and people are looking for, so they're making sure it looks right. People who want to get real loans to take care of their business, they understand that they know what these banks are looking for, so they get their business in order so they can look right, they can look presentable before they go walk into this bank or apply for a loan, before they waste their time. Why waste a hard credit pull or an inquiry on your credit for nothing? And you know you ain't going to approve of that loan. So what I'm telling y'all, listen, go get you an Experian account. Be an adult. Everybody is an adult. Go get you an Experian account. Start tracking your credit score. Start knowing what's going on. If you young and don't got nothing on your credit, go get them trade lines. It's going to be easier for you. Let it marinate for a second. If you older and you got collections and things like that, I told y'all, go freeze your accounts. Go dispute them accounts. Go add them trade lines. They want to see that. You add the Credit Strong trade line, then you're going to add you 3 accounts from Trade Line Supply. They all like 15,000, 10, 20,000. What's that, 30? That's like 45. You almost got $90,000 being reported on your credit report with good payment history. Are you crazy? That's what they want to see. Y'all got to learn the credit game so y'all can finesse it, so y'all can know what they want to see, so you can give it to them and you can get what you want. And that's what I'm trying to teach y'all, so y'all can be successful and be entrepreneurs. When you learn credit, you know what these people are looking for and you need a loan, so you make sure your paperwork and documents in order so you can get that. So today we're gonna be talking about NASA Federal Credit Union. They're giving out $30,000 personal loans. As long as you got everything that I just told you to do, as long as you got your bank account with them and building a relationship, you got a good chance of getting approved for this $30,000. All right. So without further ado, let's check out NASA Federal Credit Union. All right. So today we're gonna be talking about NASA Federal Credit Union. All right. Looking for your new home. They got home loans. They got auto loans, credit cards, personal loans, business loans, business lines of credit, all type of things like that. All right, so we're going to go to personal loans. All right, well, really, we're going to go up here to the menu. All right, so they're going to drop down. We got the mortgage and equity. We got the auto and ROV loans. They got the credit cards, personal loans, checking and savings, business services, financial planning, student loans, and they got membership. Right, so you got to get your membership first. So once you do all that, you're going to go right here to personal loans. All right. Right here it says, there are certain times in life when you need more cash than you have. At NASA Federal, we got it. And always, we're here to help you. Here's how. So personal loans, consolidating debt or planning home renovations. Personal loans offer fixed payments for the term of the loan. Perfect for paying down debt or making large purchases. So low fixed monthly payments, rates as low as 9.59 APR, fixed terms up to 84 months, no origination fees or prepayment penalties, amounts available up to $30,000, quick delivery funds. All right. So then they got the cash lines of credit. So you need and this is personal. All this is personal. So need money for ongoing project or temporary cash flow. Lines of credit allow you to pay interest on only what you borrow and have credit in reserve for ongoing or unexpected expenses. No collateral required, so you don't got to put nothing up. Low minimum payments and amounts available up to $30,000. So you can get you a loan for $30,000. You can get you a line of credit for $30,000. That's $60,000 you got right there. Boom. So this is the share secure loan. All right. So this is where you put your own money up for people who, you know what I'm saying, trying to make it happen real quick. So if you're having existing national federal deposits funds, you can preferred loan rates to apply. Visit the branch or blah blah blah. So rates as low as 3.10 APR, 3.00 plus share rate. Terms up to 60 months. Automatic payment options, low loan rates, and certificate pledge loan also available. Call for details. The pledge loans is the secure loan. So funds must be secure on the same account. Maximum loan amount is $125,000 or the amount deposit, whichever is less. The maximum term is 60 months for funds to secure. So you put $125,000 in there, they're gonna give you the $120,000 back, but it's gonna be a loan. You put $125,000 in a secure loan, you pay that back, you in the game, Charlie. You hear me? I'm just saying. I'm just letting y'all know right there. But yeah, that's how it go. Them secure loans can really get you in the game. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all like this: secure loans. If you got $50,000, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do that next video. I'm gonna make a next video about that. So boom, they got the business services. So they got business checking, they got business savings, credit cards, commercial, real estate, and they got business loans. All right, so they got working capital loans. You're gonna go right there, boom. So they got if you need financing for various day-to-day operations, look no farther than our working capital term loan. With different rate and term combinations, we've got a loan that will work for you. So they got loan amounts up to $1 million, terms up to 5 years, fixed rates and variable rate loans available. Right, so make sure you go tap in with NASA Federal Credit Union, working capital loans. They got personal loans. All right, they get you together. Go get us membership with them. Go sign up, build a relationship, making deposits in the bank account. They'll start sending you perks. Once they start sending you perks, make sure you got them trade lines on your account. Make sure you got the ADP payroll provider, and you be good. All right. So without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. NASA Federal Credit Union, they're giving up to $30,000 personal loans and $30,000 personal lines of credit. You get both, that's $60,000. But with the lines of credit, y'all already know how them work. Whatever you use, you're responsible for it. Whatever you don't use, you're not responsible for it. With the loans, you're responsible for all that, all right? So make sure y'all taking them steps that I gave y'all in the beginning of the video to clean your credit, build your credit, finesse your credit so y'all can get approved for these loans and these lines of credits and these credit cards that y'all be wanting so bad, all right? Don't watch the video and just jump up and go apply for a loan. Listen to what I'm saying in the beginning of the video. Take those steps, then go apply for the loan. And then you might watch some more videos and start building up your business credit and go get business loans. So we're going to be talking about all that today. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Go get your account with NASA Federal Credit Union. They get you together. All these banks I tell you about is built off relationships, which means if you're depositing money, they like that. So they're going to start sending you perks. And once they start sending you perks, you in good with them. You building a relationship, you can start getting them loans, all right? Your credit score might not be where it needs to be, but they might just overlook that, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in with them, all right? Shout out to all my new fans, old fans, new subscribers, old subscribers, new supporters, old supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep you entertained, and I'm going to continue to do that, all right? So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean your credit and build it, get loans, trade lines, credit cards, all that, I'm going to show you how to do that. $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500, all right? So make sure y'all tapping into my credit business, new age credit repair, all right? Also, make sure y'all book y'all, get y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, $1,200. I'm gonna show you everything that you want to know, anything that you want to know. It's unlimited gems. It's self-explanatory, all right? So that's gonna be from CPNs, credit building, cleaning, loans, credit cards, lines of credit, how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, documents, all that. Whatever you need to know. Limited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones will be $1,200 or $1,200. Also, you can get your mentorship right now. I'm taking people under my wing and making money with you. So, all right, I'm giving people the opportunity to come make money with King Hussle. So, I'm going to give you all the unlimited gems. I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make YouTube automation channels together. All right, so the channel start making 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. It start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. All right, as long as you put in the same work and effort, we'll have no problems. All right, so tap in with that. Also, book your seat right now on the crypto tour, Miami, Florida, South Beach, May 26th through the 29th. I will be there. 10 slots available. $3,500. $500 deposit. This is the first time I ever heard this over here. Like, you don't hear this type of stuff over here. Like, what? Cut it off. They tripping. So we just gonna keep it going. So yeah, make sure y'all book y'all seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems, $3,500, Miami, Florida, May 26th through the 29th, South Beach. I will be invading. We making content, we making music videos, I'm giving lessons, we making money together. We finna really have fun and run it up. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, book y'all seat right now. Also, still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, cameraman, producers, content creators, you name it, all right? Rappers, singers, y'all got a good talent, y'all got good music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You want me to check you out, it's going to be $200. Come get your chain, come get your watch, and start making this money with this music. Also, models out there, any beautiful ladies out there, tap in. You got a good attitude, you ain't janky, you ready to elevate, you ready to build your platform and brand, get your face out there, start being these music videos, more skits, blogs, interviews, all that type of stuff, all but the entertainment business, tap in. Podcasts, we're gonna be doing all that. I'm gonna make sure we get it together and make sure we get some money together. Teamwork make the dream work. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed, all right? Also, cameraman out there, any real videographers, which means if I go to your page, you really shoot the video, it means you shoot that video, stabilizer and all that, then you come home and you edit the video, you got good masking skills, you got a 4K camera or better, you got good color grade, good transactions, FX effects and all that, tap in, let's work. Content equals views, views equal money. Easy as that. The more content we push out, the more views we're going to get, the more money we're going to make. If you in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or can travel, tap in with me. All right, let's start getting this money. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all go follow my Telegram. Link is in my community post. Make sure y'all booking me for any of y'all lessons. Make sure you, when you write me on IG, make sure you're ready to pay for whatever lesson that you want or whatever services that you want. If you writing me not ready to book or showing me that you Cash App payment ready or payment ready, I'm not going to respond. All right, so don't even waste your time. All right, so make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all come get y'all gems. Make sure y'all come get y'all lessons. Make sure y'all go run the followers up on IG. Make sure y'all go run them subs up on all the YouTube channels. Subscribe and hit the all notification bell because I'm going to be dropping the giveaway video soon, so don't miss out on that. If you already missed out on the $5,000 giveaway on my Telegram, you better run over there and subscribe now. Let's do legit business, let's do good business, and let's keep it pushing. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.